What's up, family? Swing Trader Tone here. Day 384, trading day 384. See what we got. Today, today's gain, $263.09. Total assets, $15,814.05. See, it's a little bit lower. Even though I went up 263.09, it's a little bit lower than it was last Friday when the market closed because I took out $400 to take care of some bills. I had a credit card bill, so took out $400 to pay that. Once again, this is real life, man. I'm trading for a living. When I get my little freelance checks here and there for stage managing, I'll go ahead and put some money in the account. When I got to pay bills, I take it out of the account. I really don't put too much in checking, just a little bit, just whatever, needs to be paid. As far as my other accounts are concerned, this is real life, man. This is what it looks like. My options account went up $561.69. My shares account went down $298.60. And show you what happened in the options account. I did have some bread from just some cash that settled from the SPY position that I was in last week. I think I had like 500 and change. I ended up going ahead and get 20 more contracts of Beyond, which is now why I have 30. If you look back, I had 10 last week. Now I have 30, and those actually did well. So I basically averaged down, I think it was at maybe like 11 and change. So I got 20 more contracts of that. Um, and just, plenty of time. Same expiration, December 17th, 2027. So plenty of time for it to do what it do. And shoot, already up overall, up 20%. I think I was actually down. I think I was negative. I have to look back and see what it was last Friday. But shoot, those new 20 contracts did their thing today. As you can see, $944.72 today. So we'll see how it goes for the rest of the year. Trade desk, my $100 strike price is down $40. My $80 strike price is up $110. Um, my expiration, the one that my 28 strike price that expires this Friday is not looking too good, down 91%. I actually got two cheap contracts today to try to average down, see if it might pop up to, you know, towards a strike price by the end of the week. We'll see what happens. I tried to do the same thing with SPY. I didn't average down, but I actually could have broke even today. I was running around today. If you look at the market, it actually did go up to about 684 and change. So I could have got out with a break even, but I was running around taking care of some family business, neglected it, and shoot, lost the whole 292 is what I paid for it. So lost the whole thing, man. Just not paying attention, which no more short-term trading. Like once this February 20th expires, I'm not gonna have anything less than 6 months, man. I'm gonna hold myself to it. I told some of my team, what I mean, some of my my trading family to hold me to it. No more short-term trading. We're just going to go minimum 6 months, but primarily shares and leaps. Leaps meaning a year or more on my contracts. Because I'm not going to be sitting there watching it, day by day. I'm running around. I might be at work. I might be handling some family business. I just threw away $300 basically. You know what I mean? That don't make no damn sense. We work too hard for our bread. We're not throwing away no bread. I could have paid another bill with that. You know what I mean? But it is what it is, man. You learn your lessons. And every time you get a lesson, you gotta learn. Every time I L, it's not a loss, it's a lesson. All right. Pfizer, is down $45. Once again, that Beyond is up $942.72 today. And Advanced Auto Parts, that AAP is down 142.50. That's about to pop, still up 130%, no profit, but looking for about 300, almost 400% on this one, man. It still has a way to go. Take a look at the shares account. UNHG is down $192 and TSLL is down 106.60. Both of these should start probably trending up towards the end of the week, and then 2 weeks from now, it really should start popping. We could take a look at the charts, see what I'm talking about as far as UNH. UNH has some gaps that need to close. So just a normal market, oh man, you down some money today. It's been going up, you know, it's been going up consistently. Finally broke down. But this is the normal pullback. Probably should come down to the 20 EMA. It's been a while since it touched that, all right? Boom. Then it'll start bouncing up. Where it'll start going, gotta close this gap, baby. So come on, what are you doing? What are you doing, screen? Get out of here. Back to the pop, you know, maybe next 2 weeks, get above this mark and then really start moving, then bounce down some, then continue going. Tesla, Tesla's ready to start curling up. This is a nice little support right here. Once the market gets above this little gap, holds its support, start popping up. Start popping up. Get up here, come down, and come down, boom, boom, boom. Close the gap up here and start working to get up here. And that's what we're looking for. So once again, I'm out of the spies. AAP, looking for some good moves in the AAP. Same thing. These are just normal moves. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What's coming next? Just should attack this next high up here. It'll go above that one, then boom, start attacking that. Start working on this gap, and then start working up here. That's what's going to happen. That's what the market does. So AAP, strike price of 90 bucks. Looking for it to get to I think 110. Yep, about 110-ish. Gets up there, I'll go ahead and take my profit. 3 contracts. That's why I said it got a ways to go. It has a ways to go. Once it's like $20 in the money, talking about $2,000 per contract, $6,000 profit, intrinsic value, extrinsic value. If it does it, by like September, October, still have a few more months until the expiration, more money on top of that. Gotta be patient, man. Just gotta be patient with the plays. So yeah, man, that's about it. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Always looking to grow my family, but not really here to kind of like teach necessarily. I'm just really just tracking, 20,000 to 200K this year, man. I should really hit, I mean, TTD should give me 100K by itself. With these 30 contracts, when they do what it's supposed to do, um, that should be 100K. Then I'll go ahead and look for another play. Why 100K? Because they have targets above that need to get closed. It'll fight through these first. Boom, boom. Then we got a gap up here that I want to close. Woo! So from here, trying to get up here to the 120 mark. Will it do it by January? We'll see. I think it will. Come up here, bounce down, work its way through here, bounce down, close that, you know. Thinking maybe by September, October, same thing. Close, that'll be 100,000. The rest of these should start doing what they supposed to do. My shares should probably triple, by that time as well. So I'm looking to turn this 10 to about 25 at least. And then we'll start making other moves, man. We'll start looking for some other moves. So once again, today's gain is $263.90. Total assets, $15,814.05. And I'll keep you posted, let you know what happens tomorrow. All right. One love.